Alright, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something special, something that's been generating a ton of buzz. This is the NeoPhone. And let me tell you, this isn't just another phone, it's more like getting a tiny, super smart AI roommate that never, ever sleeps. First off, let's look at the box. It's got that classic NVIDIA vibe. Minimalist, sleek, and honestly, a bit of a flex. You know what I mean. But the real experience starts when you slide it open. Boom. The NeoPhone is just sitting there, staring back at you with this quiet confidence, like it knows it's the new king in town. The design is just so clean, with these sharp industrial lines. It feels less like a consumer product and more like something you'd find locked away in a secret lab at MIT. Okay, let's power this thing on, because this is where the real magic happens. This phone isn't just running a few AI features, sprinkled on top of the usual operating system. No, this thing is basically running a personal, full-blown GPT model right on the device itself. That means zero cloud reliance, zero lag, and zero drama with your data. You ask it a question, and it answers faster than your best friend can type back, "Bro?" when you message them at 2 in the morning. It's that quick. So, how is this even possible? Well, inside, it's powered by NVIDIA's rumored mobile Superchip. Now, that sounds like pure marketing fluff, I know. But you feel the difference the second you use it. Apps don't just open, they practically teleport onto the screen, like they're scared to keep you waiting. You can translate audio in real time, generate entire images completely offline, and even edit high-resolution videos without the phone getting hot or sounding like a jet engine taking off. And through all that, the battery life is insane. It's like it's just sipping power instead of chugging it. Now, let's talk about the cameras. We're looking at a massive sensor combined with some seriously aggressive AI sorcery. Honestly, every shot you take looks like the phone silently judged your photography skills, let out a deep sigh, and then just fixed everything for you in post-production. The results are stunning. It just $699. This isn't just a phone, it's a Trojan horse with a supercomputer for a heart. Unboxing the NeoPhone isn't just peeling plastic off a new gadget. It genuinely feels like witnessing a pivotal moment. The moment the entire phone industry looks up from its morning coffee and realizes, oh, we are in trouble. This thing is a game changer. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Would you pick one up? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you in the next one.